वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह. Reason behind the martyrdom of younger Sahibzada is Sahibzada Zorawar Singh and Sahibzada Fateh Singh. There's no parallel to this martyrdom of such young children in the annals of human history. Guru Gobind Singh Ji created Khalsa Panth on April 13, 1699 and blessed all with equality and rejected all discriminations. Kings of hills along with Mughal emperor started getting jealous. They surrounded Anandpur Sahib and forced Guruji to leave the fort. They swore on Quran to give safe passage to Guruji. Guruji along with his family left Anandpur Sahib fort. They broke their promises and attacked in the intervening night of 20 and 21st December 1705. A fierce battle was fought on the bank of Sirsa river. Elder sons Sahibzada Ajit Singh and Sahibzada Jujhar Singh martyred in Chamkaur Sahib battle. Guruji's family got separated and Guruji was left alone. Younger sons Sahibzada Zorawar Singh and Sahibzada Fateh Singh Ji proceeded along with Mata Gujri Ji. They passed through thick forests on foot towards Ropa. After a hard journey, they reached the hut of a boatman, Kumma Mashki, and spent a night there. Next morning, Gangu, a former family cook, arrived and took them to his village Saheri and assured Mataji that they would be safe at his place. In the midnight, Gangu tried to steal Mataji's gold coins. When Mataji asked him about the coins, the greedy Gangu started shouting and reported to the police. He betrayed and gave whereabouts of Mataji and Sahibzadas to the police. They were taken to the Kotwali and imprisoned in the Morinda jail. From there, they were kept in Thanda Burj, a high place with no walls to shed the chilling breeze in the month of December on the order of Mughal Emperor Wazir Khan. One of Guruji's devotee, Motiram Mehra, risked his life and managed to send milk for Sahibzadas and Mataji. Tan Motiram Ji punn kamaya, Guru Lala nu dudh pilaya. For this service, he along with his family was crushed in the oil mill roller as per the order of Wazir Khan and martyred. Next morning, Sahibzadas were ordered to appear in the court of Wazir Khan. They were forced to convert to Islam, but they refused. Wazir Khan got annoyed and he asked Qazi, a Muslim priest, but the Qazi told him that they couldn't be punished because they hadn't committed any crime. On the third day, a court official, Diwan Suchanand, asked Sahibzadas, "What will you do if you are released?" Sahibzadas replied, "We will collect the army and will go on fighting till this cruel empire is not completely wiped out." Wazir Khan's anger had no limits and wanted to punish both the Sahibzadas. He called Sher Muhammad Khan, Nawab of Malerkotla, and asked him to take revenge of his brother who lost his life in Guruji's hands. But he said, "My brother was killed on the battlefield and it's cruelty to kill the Sahibzadas." He registered a formal protest insisting that Quran didn't allow the murder of innocents, but Wazir Khan ignored the advice. Since Wazir Khan had betrayed Guruji and attacked while leaving Anandpur Sahib, but failed to capture Guru Gobind Singh Ji, he was frustrated and scared of Guruji, so he had hold on his little ones and tried them to convert to Islam, but they refused. They were forced to convert to Islam and were told to be bricked alive on denial, but they said they were not afraid of death. Next day, they were brought to be bricked alive in the walls in Sarhand. They were bricked alive because they were sons of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. They were innocent without committing any crime otherwise. Gurdwara Fatehgarh Sahib marks the martyrdom of younger Sahibzadas bricked alive in December 1705. Some acts and deeds are so profound that they change the course of history, and the martyrdom of Sahibzadas changed the history too. Aurangzeb had to drop his evil policy of forceful conversion of people into Islam. Thanks for watching. Please share the video, like, comment, and hit the bell icon for my next videos. Please subscribe my channel. A humble request, please join me to initiate for making our new generation aware of the proud Sikh history. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you so much.